Okay guys, my brother just found something. What you got? What you got? What you got? Bring that baby up.
I'm trying to. I think it fell off. Swimming area.
It is a swimming area.
And this ain't no fishing allowed in this part of the thing.
Yeah. Guys, we are back and this is the area that we're gonna hit up. We haven't hit it ever since GBRA was gonna shut it down. Guys, we're gonna magnet fish and we're gonna see what we can find. Nothing, just a little hook.
Well, that's all I got so far. It's like maybe a sea hook.
Fishing bell.
Good.
Got a fishing bell, baby. Oh yeah.
$99 more bottle caps. And I can get myself a gun, right? I'm fine out.
Okay guys, my brother just found something. What you got? What you got? What you got? Bring that baby up.
I'm trying to. I think it fell off.
Oh no!
It fell off.
No! We gotta get it, Steven.
I'm gonna get it. It's right here somewhere.
Come on, baby. It was something. Oh, what the heck? All that bubbles.
I think that's where it's at.
Do you want me to get the big one?
Yeah, get the big one.
Alright, I get the big one.
It fell off.
Alright, hold on. Like, I'm going with the big one to see if we can retrieve whatever it was that was down there. Where was it at?
Like right, somewhere right here. As I was coming up, I saw it and it fell off.
So maybe it was.
That corner of the dock.
I don't know. See, this is a one-sided, so I don't know if I'll get it.
Yeah,
You might have a better chance with that double.
I was just bouncing it around like this. I was like, let's see if I bounce it and see if like anything stuck to it.
Oh, what did I get? Oh, ain't no big item. Dang it. Guys, I'm gonna get back to you if we can pull it up. We're gonna see if we can pull it up. Bottle cap.
Found another little hook. Oh, that's what I found. Oh, you got it.
Dude, we just got a freaking fishing pole. Oh my God, Steven. Show them how I got it. Show them how I freaking got it, dude.
Look, it wasn't even on the magnet.
Oh.
It got stuck between those strings.
Dude, that's an awesome one. Let me see this.
Hold up.
Oh my gosh.
You got it right there.
Oh man, look at this. This thing's been in there for a while, man.
And you know what?
Somebody lost it.
The tip on it, the tip on it is still good. Everything
Needs to be clean.
Yeah, it'd be clean. I bet you it still works. Make sure.
Oh yeah. A little dented, no? But you can build it out with the pliers.
Yeah.
There you go. You got yourself a fish pole. I'm excited, dude. Oh my God. Another find is a nail with some rocks on it. Nothing major. And a couple of little gadgets here and there. What'd you get?
Oh, another little
line?
Little line.
Nothing major.
No major.
Okay, did some good little finds right here. You got a big old treble hook. Another regular hook. Bottle cap.
So Greg, how would you say so far everything was going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
Pretty good.
You excited about the fishing pole?
Oh yeah. Still looking reusable. Needs a little touch up. Looks perfect. let me show you what we got. That here's a be an update. So far we found a whole bunch of hooks, weights, and the lines. And then we also found a whole bunch of nails and bottle caps. And can't forget this. So far it has been a great treasure hunt. Remember guys, hit that like, subscribe, and follow. It looks awesome, right?
Yeah, they're using a small little hook.
I know. They can catch them with that.